Make sure to locate the appropriate connector to accept the base feed. You should see one connector with slots and a U-shaped bracket. Hang the base feed on the slots above the U bracket and secure it with the provided zip tie. Run the flexible portion of the feed through the opening in the bottom of the power beam. Add the base feed cover and secure it using the two provided screws. Snap on two spring clips to accept the end trim. Adjust the levelers as needed. There must be only one power feed entry into each cluster of stations. Connection to the building supply must be done only by a licensed electrician and in accordance with applicable codes and regulations. Do not connect or disconnect components while the system is under load. Disconnect the main power before servicing or reconfiguring.